Hello my dear students, good morning. Myself Mitanjali Patnaik. I will teach you science. Welcome all of you to our online class. I hope you all are safe at home. Today in this class we are going to discuss about chapter 4 in the NCERT book of class 7, that is heat. So let's start the chapter. In chapter 3, you learned that woolen clothes are made from animal fibers. You also know that cotton clothes are made from plant fibers. We wear woolen clothes during winter season when it is cold outside. Woolen clothes keeps us warm. We prefer to wear light colored cotton clothes when it is hot. This gives us a feeling of coolness. You might have wondered why particular type of clothes are suitable for a particular season. In winter, we feel cold inside the house. If you come out in the sun, you feel warm. In summer, you feel hot even inside the house. So, how do you know whether an object is hot or cold? How do you find out how hot or cold an object is? In this chapter, we shall try to seek answer to some of these questions. Now come to the next topic of this chapter, that is hot and cold. As you know, hot means garam and cold means thanda. In our day-to-day life, we come across a number of objects. Some of them are hot and some of them are cold. Look at the table 4.1, which is in your book, page number 35. Some objects are given in table 4.1. So, first one, ice cream, that is cold. Spoon in a teacup, that feels hot. Fruit juice, that feels cold. Handle of a frying pan, that feels hot. So we see some objects are cold while some are hot. You also know that some objects are hotter than other objects while some are colder than others. So how do we decide which object is hotter than other? We often do it by touching the objects. But is our sense of touch is reliable? Let us find out. We cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. Sometimes it may deceive us. So, let us understand this through the activity 4.1. Take 3 large mugs, label them as A, B and C. Put cold water in mug A and hot water in mug B. Make sure that water is not so hot that you burn your hand. Then mix some cold and hot water in mug C. Now dip your left hand in mug A and right hand in mug B. After keeping the hands in two mugs for 2 to 3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in mug C. How do you feel? Do both the hands get the same feeling? So, यहाँ पर इस एक्टिविटी में हम 3 बॉकेट्स लेंगे, 3 मग लेंगे, उसका नाम देंगे ABC. मग ए में लेंगे हम कोल्ड वाटर, मग बी में लेंगे हम हॉट वाटर और मग सी में दोनों को मिला के हम हॉट वाटर और कोल्ड वाटर को मिला के हम मग सी में लेंगे. और ए में हम डालेंगे हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड, बी में हम डालेंगे राइट हैंड. आफ्टर 2 to 3 मिनट्स हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों हाथ को निकालेंगे और साइमल्टेनियसली एक साथ से सी में डालेंगे. देन व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व? योर लेफ्ट हैंड tells that water in mug C is hot and the right hand tells that the same water is cold. So what should you conclude? मतलब तुम्हारा जो लेफ्ट हैंड है वो लेफ्ट हैंड जो कि है वो बताएगा कि जो सी में वाटर है वो हॉट है और राइट हैंड बताएगा जो कि सेम वाटर वो कोल्ड है. तो इस एक्टिविटी से हमें ये कंक्लूजन होता है, वी cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. So then, how do we find out how hot an object really is? A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. So temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. So whether an object is hot or cold or comparison between two objects, which one is hotter and which one is colder. A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट हॉट है, कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट कोल्ड है, उसका रिलायबल measure of the hotness of an object, that is called its temperature, and temperature is measured by a device that is called thermometer. So for measuring temperature we use thermometer. Thermometers are of two types. One is clinical thermometer, which is used in clinic, and another one is laboratory thermometer, which is used in the laboratory. So have you seen a thermometer? Recall that when you or someone else in your family had fever, the temperature was measured by a thermometer. So the thermometer that measure our body temperature is called a clinical thermometer. जो थर्मोमीटर से हमारे ह्यूमन बीइंग का बॉडी का टेम्परेचर मेजर किया जाता है, उस थर्मोमीटर को क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर बोला जाता है. A clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow and uniform glass tube. A clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. It has a bulb at one end. This one is bulb at one end, and the bulb contains mercury. Outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. If you did not see the mercury thread, rotate the thermometer a bit till you see it. You also find the scale of the thermometer. The scale we use in the Celsius scale indicated by degree Celsius. A clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degree to 42 degree Celsius. And in Fahrenheit scale, the range is from 94 to 108 degree Fahrenheit. So this is all about thermometer, and this is all for today. In our next class we will read the reading of a thermometer.